guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is going to be something very short, very cute, very sweet. Okay, because I ain't got a lot of time. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time, honey. We're just going to hop straight into it. If you are interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then keep watching. I'm starting off on a braid out. I braided my hair last night and all I did was use some curling mousse by Design Essentials because my hair is kind of old and dirty, and when my hair is old and dirty I don't like to put more products because I find it just weighs it down and it just doesn't look nice and fluffy and cute. So this is what it is. This is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna take down these sections on camera because why not? I want you guys to see my hair in real time, how it looks when I take down a braid out or a twist out or any type of style that I left it in, when I take it out and see where my length falls compared to when I stretch it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take one of these bands here and just kind of put my hair back. All right, I'm gonna grab my James Carter Solution Curls to Go Shine On Elixir. If you guys have watched a ton of my hair videos, you guys know I use this elixir. I'll use any type of oil that I can grab to take down my hair. I just like this oil because it's nice and light and it also makes my hair very shiny. Okay, focus it, the oil mostly on my fingertips, and then take down my braid. And look at that definition, y'all. Yes, ma'am. Hello. That mousse did exactly what it was supposed to do. Now I'm just moving on to the next section. As you guys can see, I don't like to separate my hair too much when I do any type of style in large sections, because then I find, because my hair is already in very large sections, I'm already going to deal with some frizz, and then trying to separate it even more, I end up gonna deal with way too much frizz, girls. So ain't nobody getting with it. So yeah. So this is what we're doing, girl. I low-key just want to leave my hair like this because even though she's not stretched, she's looking cute. Hello. But for the sake of the video, I will be stretching her. I will be stretching her. Guys, this is just mousse and some oil, honey. So this is the mousse that I used in my hair. It's the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. And this is what it looks like. You guys already know that how much I love Design Essentials. Like, she's really here for the girls. She's always showing up on time. Like, this is just mousse and oil. That's it. Because my hair is dirty and I said I don't want to add any heavy products because my hair is already dirty. And then you see these frizzy ends right here? It's because I need a trim. Okay? We're on the lockdown again. So, but yeah, guys, this is what my hair is looking like. Like, there's some parts that are kind of wet, so I have to be careful when I'm stretching it. But the definition is here, honey. You know, minus the scraggly ends, but the definition is here. Ooh! So the stretching method I'll be using is the banding method. If you guys should have seen it in the title. If I didn't put it in the title, oops. But the stretching method that I'll be using today is the banding method. So I'm going to be using 4 elastic bands all around my head. So since my hair is in a mushroom cut like this, like a mushroom shape like this, I will only be stretching like the very top half of my hair. So all these bottom parts here will be staying unstretched because I like my hair to be that mushroom cut look. And then the top half will be getting stretched. And then I'm just going to take some of my hair here. And all I'm going to do is stretch the very like roots of my hair. So So I'll be banding up until about this area here. So I'm gonna grab my elastic band, double it up on my hand. Okay, get as much of my roots as I can. Okay. And when you're banding your hair, just be careful because it's so easy to mess up your hair this way. Okay, and then I'm just going to band the elastic along the length of my hair until I want it to stop. So I want it to stop about here. Because again, I want some definition on my ends. So like so. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, just grabbing a section. I want this, so I want all this part to be stretched and the ends here to be left alone because that's where the definition is. I doubled my elastic on my hand and then wrapped it around and then kind of like that. I don't even know how to explain. I hope you guys are understanding. And then just band the elastic along the length of my hair. And make sure, other parts of your hair is not getting stuck. Cause that's how you create frizz, okay? And then like that. And then you should be looking like Pippi Longstockings. If you don't look like her, you're not doing it right. The last two sections I'll be doing it's still like the top half just towards the back now. And I'll be doing the exact same thing. So I'm just grabbing this area here. Hold on, let me just clip this part down so you guys can see what's really going on. I doubled up my elastic band, grabbed this back section here. Again, I want it at the very roots of my hair. Oops. Push the band up as much as you can because that's where most of my shrinkage is, at the roots of my hair. And then just band that section all the way down, like so, honey. Then like this. Okay, so yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like. So guys, now I'm gonna go get ready, like do my makeup and stuff off camera. This will allow the bands to kind of stretch my hair for probably between 20 to 30 minutes, but you don't have to keep it in for 20-30 minutes. Even 10 minutes is good enough. It's just I happen to be doing my makeup, so yeah. So I'll come back to you guys in about 20 to 30 minutes and show you what my hair is looking like. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So it's been about 30 minutes since the last time y'all saw me. So let's take down this hair and see what she's looking like. Okay, and when you're taking down your bands, just be very careful. Try not to get your hair tangled. Okay. Especially for my kinky girls, it is really easy for us to get our hair tangled all up and through this. You just take your time and just take them down. All right, guys, so this is the final look. She's giving you volume, she's giving you stretched. Okay, if you want from here, you could stretch it out even more by stretching your bottom half. Again, I like my hair in a more mushroom shape, so I don't usually stretch the bottom half of my hair. But yeah, I like the way my hair came out. She's looking cute. Edges, hello. Edges on swim. Edges is on swim. Hello, did you say something? Yes. Edges is on swim, honey. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I'm giving you stretched, I'm giving you here, I'm giving you frizz because again, my hair was wet when I was taking it down, but sometimes that happens, it's okay. As a natural girl, I'm learning to just embrace the frizz because there's really no way from completely running from it. So yeah, This is what my hair is looking like. She's giving you a look. I hope you guys liked this video. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Super cute, short, and sweet. If you do want an even more stretched look, then I would suggest keeping the bands in your hair longer, or even maybe putting it in from the night before and then taking it out in the morning if you want a super stretched look. But if you just want to add a little bit of length to your hair, then keep the bands in your hair from anywhere from 10 minutes to about 30 minutes. Yeah, you'll get a result like this or something even better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You already know you're going to come back. This is probably your second or third video already, sis. So you might as well subscribe to the channel and join the family. I still haven't figured out what to call you guys yet. Maybe Shay Bays. I don't know. Shay's Bays. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what I should call you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.